property. Can you able to apply? We cannot. Because here 2 will be there. If you don't have 2, you can apply directly that property. Am I right? We can apply the property directly, but here 2 will be there. Okay. Now what to do? We can change in terms of tan inverse. Since we know that again we are having property. What is that property? Since tan inverse, like 2 tan inverse x is equal to, yesterday clearly I have written tan 2 theta. What is tan 2 theta? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square. Nothing but 2 tan inverse. Nothing we can think like that. Think like that. Tan of 2x. Tan of 2x formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square. Like that we have to think. You can remember like that. Okay, we can easily remember all trigonometric formulas. It's not at all difficult. Okay, anyhow, apply this property. This is the same as like 2 tan inverse. X value is 1 by 2. So, we can apply that. We will get like a tan inverse of 2 into, yeah, what is x value? 1 by 2. 2x, 2 into 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2, the square. Plus tan inverse 1 by 7. I am taking your LHS. I am taking LHS here. LHS is what? This is LHS. This 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 I have written like this now. Cancel. So, which is equal to tan inverse 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4. So, plus tan inverse 1 by 7. And this is equal to tan inverse of, yeah, simplify this. 4 becomes numerator 4 by 3, am I right? Plus tan inverse 1 by 7. So, since it is in the form of, now you can apply the property. This is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. It is equal to tan inverse of, what is formula? Nothing but what? It is in the form of tan A plus B. What is tan A plus B? Tan A plus B. Tan A
Plus
plus
tan A
tan
by
B.
1 minus tan A tan B.
Like that same. Tan A means x plus tan B means y by 1 minus tan A x tan B y. So this is x value, this is y value. Apply this property, you will get the answer. So already we have done the third question. Third question is same like this. This is same as third question already we solved. Okay, you can note it down up here. Fifth question. Fifth, sixth, like question number fifth to question number 10. Question number 5 to question number 10. We have to write simplest form. They given a difficult form, we can write in simplest form. Okay, nothing but these are all formulas. Indirectly, these are all formulas we can derive in simplest form. We can derive in the simplest form. Is it difficult? No, not at all difficult. Right, look at here. The given question is tan inverse of root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by x here. Domain is x not equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, what will happen? Clearly they given domain x not equal to 0. Actually x is equal to 0, it is undefined again. So 1 minus 1, 0 by 0, 0 by 0 undefined. So x not equal to 0. For all x not equal to 0, what about the simplest form here? Okay, here, if you look at here, 1 plus x square is there. So what is the value we need to substitute that x? Whether we can substitute x is equal to sin theta or cos theta or tan theta or cot theta, secant or cosecant. Anyone? What shall we substitute? Is there any formula for 1 plus sin square? Square root is there, it should not be negative. For what value of x will get a standard form? Anyone?
Sir, C.
Yes?
Sir, no, please.
Secant, 1 plus secant square.
Sir, no, sir, no, sir.
Then
1 plus cot square.
1 plus
Cot square.
cot square. Okay, very good. Any other? Cot square is
Tan
right.
square.
Tan square, right. So either you can substitute x is equal to tan square or cot square. Okay. So let us take here, I am taking here, let us consider x is equal to tan theta. They given x, write in terms of theta. Fine. So which implies what is theta? Tan inverse, tan take left side, tan inverse x is equal to theta. Just remember. Okay, substitute in place of x. Okay, let us take this as y. Let's see here. Y is in simplest form. Tan inverse square root of 1 plus tan square theta, because x value I am considered as minus 1 by tan theta. Okay, now simplify this. Since we know that 1 plus tan square theta formula is, what is 1 plus tan square formula?
Secant, sir.
1 plus tan square,
Secant square.
secant square theta, square root of minus 1 by tan theta. Right, square get cancelled. Square and root get cancelled. Shall I write this can be written as tan and secant means 1 by cos theta minus 1 by tan theta. Shall I write theta? Now we can take LCM. What is LCM? Cos theta LCM in numerator. So this is equal to tan inverse of LCM is cos theta 1 minus cos theta. This is numerator. By denominator shall I write tan theta as sin by cos? Shall I write like this? Now shall I cancel this? So finally, yes, what about final? We got 1 minus so tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta formula is there. What is 1 minus cos theta formula? Since we know that 1 minus cos 2 theta formula is 2 sin square theta. And sin 2 theta formula is there. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. This is the formulas we are having. With the help of these formulas, so what about this numerator y is equal to, shall I write here tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square. See 2 theta becomes theta. If it is theta, what about here? By 2.
Theta.
If it is theta, by 2, by 2. So 2 sin square theta by 2 by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, right? 2 to cancel, 1 sin get cancelled. So this kind of problems we solved many problems we solved, right? So now this is equal to y is equal to tan inverse of what is the remaining here? Sin theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Shall I write? This is tan theta by 2. So remaining value is sin theta by 2. Here it is cos theta by 2. Then that is tan theta by 2. Can I cancel this? Yes. Finally we got theta by 2. Theta by 2 means what is theta? What is theta? Tan inverse. So tan inverse x whole divided by 2. This is clearly y. This is y. So this is the simplest form of, again, I said very clearly in calculus, this is very important. They are asking the derivative of this function, derivative of this value. They asked already question. In JE also they asked this question. The derivative of tan inverse of this value. Means is it easy to derivative? No. Okay, integral of this value. Is it integrate this value? No. But if you know this formula like tan inverse x by 2, we can easily differentiate and we can easily integrate. Having any doubts, you can ask. Substitute x is equal to tan theta or cot theta. Okay, you may get doubt. Sir, you have taken tan theta. If we take cot theta, whether we'll get answer or not. Yes, obviously we'll get answer. You can take x is equal to cot theta, you can try. You'll get the answer. Finally, you'll get some answer. You can write 5 by 2 of that. A substitution method. Look at here. So Barai asked that how to substitute. How can we find whether we can take tan theta or whether we can take sin theta, like that. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Actually, I made a video here. Not here. I have to take some other. To this differentiation, substitution method, and formulas and everything. Okay, anyhow, look at here. Vishwant, Aditya joined. Now it's now only.
Sir,
So
no,
one of
sir.
the
I already joined, sir. Second account joining, sir. That leaving
any
that
tech,
phone.
any
Yes, sir.
technical.
Technical.
Okay. Right, see here, the equation like square root of 1 plus x square, either you can substitute, otherwise I am taking like a square plus x square, substitute here, x is equal to a tan theta or x is equal to a cot theta, note it down all of you. In case of this is in the form of a square minus x square, square root of a may be 1. If it is a is 1, 1 minus x square. If a value is 1, 1 plus x square. The a value 1 substitute here also. They may give different ways. 1 plus x square, 4 plus x square, 9 plus x square, or 3 plus x square, 4 plus x square, 5 plus. So whatever it is. Substitute plus will be there between these two. Substitute tan theta or cot theta. Okay, minus will be there. In this will be again two cases. Either substitute x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta, because we'll get a standard form. So a square here x square minus a square. See here difference, a square minus x square, here x square minus a square. Now again two cases, either you can substitute x is equal to a secant theta or x is equal to a cosecant theta, because 1 plus tan square formula is there. 1 plus cot square formula is there here. So take a is equal to 1. 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square formula is there, cos square. 1 minus cos square formula is there, sin square. But here secant square minus 1. Secant square minus 1, tan square. Cosecant square minus 1. Cosecant square minus 1, cot square. So like that, these value only you can substitute. For example, instead of x, in place of x, instead of these two value, if you substitute any other value, for example, substitute sin here. A is equal to 1, here. X is equal to sin. What will happen? So root over 1 plus sin square theta. 1 plus sin square, we know that minus cos square theta. Oh, no formula here. Is there any formula for sin square? No. No formula. 1 plus sin square, no formula. Like that. Okay. It is applicable for only those particular functions. Remember that. And next. Question number. Okay, question number 6. Anyone, what is the x value we need to substitute?
Cosec theta, sir.
Exactly. Question number 6 they given tan inverse of 1 by root over x square minus 1. X square minus 1, your mod x is greater than 1. Okay, x square minus 1 is last case. Okay, here we are having two conditions. Two conditions. Either we can substitute secant or cosecant. What can we substitute? Which is better? Which is
Cosecant, sir.
cosecant? Why can't we substitute secant?
Because if we substitute secant, we'll get tan theta in the denominator, but we want it in the
Yeah,
numerator
if
to
you take in the
cancel out.
numerator, cot theta will get. Again, cot theta you can write as tan of 90 minus theta. In that case also, what I am saying, if you take secant theta also you will get, but you will get cot theta. Cot theta again you can write sin 90 minus theta. If you take cosecant, directly tan inverse of this you will get tan. So take here x is equal to cosecant or secant? Cosecant theta. See, cosecant square minus 1. Cosecant square minus 1. Cot square. Square root cancel. Cot 1 by cot. Yeah. If you take secant here, secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1. Tan square. So square root of tan square. Square tan cancel. Tan 1 by tan. Nothing but cot. Cot. Okay. So cot again you can convert it into tan. So like that, better to substitute cosecant. Okay. So finally we get different answer. You may get doubts or finally we may get different answer. What about? So if you take cosecant inverse here, y is equal to, we get tan inverse of, I am writing here, uh, 1 by square root of cosecant square theta minus 1, that is tan square theta. I am writing directly, square get cancelled. Sorry, cot square theta. Cot square theta, square root cancel. Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 by cot tan theta. Get cancelled theta. What is theta value? See here, x is equal to cosecant and the theta is equal to cosecant inverse. Am I right? Yeah, theta cosecant inverse. Finally, we got the answer in terms of cosecant inverse. Can you change that cosecant inverse in terms of secant inverse? Secant inverse. Is it possible? Yes. There is a formula. Yesterday clearly I have written sin square plus cos, sorry, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to 90. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to 90. Secant inverse plus secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse is always equal to 90. That is 90. From this, what is cosecant inverse? Pi by 2. So y is equal to, this also can be written as pi by 2 minus secant inverse of x. Take secant right side. So cosecant value is 90 minus secant inverse. So everyone try to remember each and every property, especially in inverse.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the last point I explained, sir, after y equal to theta equal to cosecant inverse.
Yeah, if I take here, I am taking here x is equal to cosecant theta. Am I right, Bharani?
Yes, sir.
From this, what is theta? Cosecant, we can take left side, cosecant inverse x. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This theta value I replaced there, we got like this. Since there is a property, what is that property? Secant inverse plus cosecant inverse is equal to 90. But finally, what is the answer we got?
Sir, cosecant
But
inverse of x.
cosecant inverse. See, you can stop there itself. No need to write this step. No need to write this step. But if it is objective question in any like in OBT exam, they may give this question, they may give this option. Option they may give this, or else they may give like this. You should have idea. Okay, cosecant inverse, how can you change it to secant inverse? Because there is a property secant inverse plus cosecant inverse always 90. From this secant inverse take right side pi by 2 minus secant inverse. That is like. So both are correct answer. So if you take here instead of secant, why I am writing this value? If you take, I said that here x value, you may take cosecant, you may take secant also. I said for both the cases we'll get the answer. If we take instead of cosecant secant, what will happen? Finally, you will get this answer. Pi by 2 minus secant inverse. Instead of cosecant theta, if you take secant, you will get this answer. This answer, nothing but this answer. Both will be same. Okay, both answers are correct. So you can try instead of cosecant, you can take secant, you can try, you will get this answer. This is nothing but this. Okay, right. Next, question number 7. Tan inverse square root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Okay, actually this was deleted portion, this second exercise. Anyhow, we will discuss. I hope that the online classes are going on like this. Definitely again they can delete 30% of the syllabus, they can reduce. So anyhow we will discuss. Okay, so question number 7, tan inverse seven tan inverse of square root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So domain is 0 to 180. So I said very clearly, if you want to understand that, if you want to do the problem which is related to inverse trigonometry, you must know the formulas for trigonometry. Without trigonometric formulas, even in calculus, many of the questions, almost calculus problem like integration, differentiation, 90% of the questions based on this trigonometry only. Trigonometry, inverse trigonometry. Without sine, cos, tan, no differentiation, no integration, and algebraic functions like elementary functions, we can use just 10%, like integral e power x, derivative of e power x, derivative of log x, very 10%, just 10%. Remaining all the problem based on trigonometry, inverse trigonometry. Mostly 70% trigonometry. So remaining 30, 40 to 30%, 30% like inverse. See here, how can you simplify this? So to simplify this, I said very clearly, you should know the formula. 1 minus cos 2 theta formula is what? What is 1 minus cos 2 theta? And the denominator in the form of 1 plus cos 2 theta formula. What are the formulas? Yes? Whether you know or you don't know about 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta. Many times I revised only the 3 formulas are very important. 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta. Yes. Yes, Navin Raghav, what is the answer? What is the formula?
2 sine squared
So 2
theta.
sine square theta.
Hmm?
So 2 sine square theta. So 2 sine square theta by 2 will come.
Exactly. So in solution, let us take this as y is equal to tan inverse of 2 sine square theta by 2, nothing but here x by 2. So 1 minus means 2 sine square theta by here 2 cos square x by 2. These are the formulas, remember. It cancel. Y is equal to tan inverse of square root of sine square by cos square, tan square theta by 2, nothing but x by 2, get square root cancel, and remaining is tan inverse of tan x by 2, tan inverse cancel, y is equal to x by 2. So actually this is the answer. Tan inverse of square root of those values is x by 2. So derivative integral is difficult directly, but if you know this value, x by 2 derivative 1 by 2, x by 2 integral is x square. X square by 4, sorry, integral. Like that. So next, Next one is tan inverse of cos x minus sin x. Eighth one is y is equal to tan inverse of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Already we done this formula. What is the formula for cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x? In terms of tan, we done already. Forget. Forget all formulas. Understood. Okay, so y is equal to tan inverse of numerator denominator dividing with cos x. Each and every function dividing with cos x. Numerator denominator. Shall I write like this 1 minus sin x by cos x? Or cos x by cos x sin x by cos x and cos x by cos x minus sin x by plus sin x by cos x. Shall I write like this? I divided numerator denominator with cos x. So 1 minus, here it is tan x by 1 plus tan x. Yes or no? Cos 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x, at least this formula.
Tan pi by 4 minus theta.
Tan
Pi by 4. Cot pi
pi by 4,
minus theta.
exactly, tan pi by 4 minus theta. Because 1 can be written as tan pi by 4, here tan pi by 4, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B is tan A minus B. Pi by 4 minus x now get cancelled, so this is equal to pi by 4 minus x. This is why. That is the simplest form. Next, you can try the next question. Clear? Next, question number 9. Question number 9, again, what to do? Substitute x is equal to what? A square minus x square. Just now I given substitution formulas. So what do we substitute?
Sin theta and cos theta or cos theta.
Yeah, which is better here, sin theta or cos theta? To get tan theta. Numerator x is there. So x is
Cos
equal to a sin theta, x by root over. So x is equal to a cos theta, sorry, a sin theta you can substitute. Next we will do directly 10th question. Right, question number 10. Y is equal to tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube by a cube minus 3a x square. Yeah, x square, your a greater than b. Anyone can tell what do we substitute here? Simple. Tan inverse is there. You can make them this bracket value in terms of tan. Okay. So for what value of x it will become tan? Since we know that tan, okay, what is the formula for tan 3x? Anyone? Tan 3x. 3?
3 tan square x minus
3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Clear? That is the formula. What is the x value you want to substitute to get like this? X value. Yes. A sin theta or A tan theta or A cot theta, what should we substitute here? What is formula in terms of tan? You know, you will get tan. So shall I take here x is equal to A tan theta, which implies x by A is equal to tan theta, which implies theta is equal to tan inverse x by A. I take an A is left side, x by A equal to tan theta, theta is equal to tan inverse x by A. Now look at here, I want to substitute tan theta, so y is equal to tan inverse of 3a square A tan theta minus A tan theta whole cube by A cube minus 3a A tan theta whole square. Now can anyone tell what is the common numerator denominator?
a square
A square into A?
A cube.
A cube, A cube. Okay, A cube common in numerator. A cube, A into A square, A into A square, A cube. So you can take A cube common. So tan inverse of A cube here. Remaining is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta. Wait, what is the common denominator? A cube. 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Get cancelled, you know. Now, tan inverse of, what about here? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta.
Tan 3 theta.
so tan
Tan
3
3 theta, right. Tan get cancelled. Finally, 3 theta. 3 into what is theta? Tan inverse x by. Okay. Simple question. Can anyone tell the answer for question number 12? It's very easy. Actually, we can apply the property here. Question number 12. Answer. Cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. What is the answer? I said very clearly property. Yes, Siddhartha said 0. Exactly. See here, cot tan inverse plus cot inverse is always 90. 90 means cot 90, 0. Get 0. Fine. That is the answer for question number 12. And question number 11.
45 degrees, sir.
Question number 11 is 45. What about others? 45 is right answer. See here, tan inverse. Remaining everyone must do all the problem, right? 2 cos bracket 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. They may given like but it is very easy. Not at all difficult. Look at here. So tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. What is the principal value branch of sin inverse 1 by 2? Sin inverse 1 by 2 means for what value of theta it is 1 by 2.
5
5
by
by
6.
5 by
6.
5 by 6. Am I right? Sin 30 only 1 by 2. Sin 30 only 1 by 2. Okay. 3. So tan inverse 2 cos. Yeah. What is the remaining value? 5 by 3. Tan inverse 2. What is cos 60?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. What is tan inverse 1?
5 by 4.
1 by 4.
That's it. Tan of 45 becomes 1. Tan 45 becomes 1. That's one. Okay, next question number uh, 13. Question number 13 is also very easy, but you should remember the formulas, properties. Then I already written for properties. 13 is what? Tan inverse of tan inverse 1 by 2 bracket sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. That is the question. Is it difficult?
So they gave only tan 1 by 2, sir.
Tan 1 by 2. Tan inverse 1 by 2. This is not at all difficult. Just it will take 10 to 20 seconds to simplify this. See here. Tan inverse 1 by 2 bracket. Yeah. Sin inverse in terms of tan inverse. Sin inverse of C. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square is what? Take x is equal to. Actually, I written this is clearly 2 tan inverse x formula. This is 2 tan inverse y formula. I have given clearly. So 2 tan inverse, sin inverse of that value because 2 it is in the form of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square. Nothing but finally we get 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. Cos 2 theta. Cos get cancelled. Like that we get like, so 2 is common. 2 this cancel. So tan inverse of remaining is tan inverse plus tan inverse y. I already given formula again. Tan inverse like tan a plus b. So tan of what if this is tan inverse or tan?
That's what tan only, sir.
Tan only. You. Otherwise both will be inverse. See tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse of tan a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Get cancelled finally x plus y by once again tan of 1 by 2 sin inverse of this formula is 2 tan inverse. This formula is 2 tan inverse y. So 2 get cancelled. So it is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We know formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy tan inverse tan cancel. Finally, this is the answer. So like that you can try to do the remaining. Okay. Can try question number 15. Question number 14 I can explain you. So remaining and all will do, and we will start OBT concept. If you are able to understand this problem each and everything, so OBT also becomes easy. So they ask somewhat